Have you ever checked your savings and felt a sense of relief, even though the price of everything from rent to groceries is hitting record highs? Most people think that's just good investing. It's not. Right now, your retirement, your pension, and your entire financial future are quietly being stapled to a single hidden engine. If you want to know what that engine is and how the loop works, subscribe. Because this is Price Tag's story, and we uncover the truth behind your money. Now let's get into it. That engine is Nvidia. To understand why this is a trap, imagine walking into an all-you-can-eat buffet. You pay for a balanced plate of 500 different items, vegetables, fruits, and grains, thinking you're diversified, but the house quietly changed the rules. Now, 90% of your plate is just one massive steak, leaving barely any room for anything else. This is the giant steak effect. Because Nvidia alone captures about 8 cents of every dollar invested in the S&P 500, index funds are forced to keep buying more of it as the price rises. In just 12 months, it jumped from $300 to $900. But here's the kicker. This isn't just normal growth. It's a loop. Nvidia invests billions in AI startups. Those startups pay companies like Microsoft or Oracle for cloud computing. And then Microsoft uses that same money to buy more Nvidia chips. The money is just circling around in a feedback loop, often financed by debt that doesn't even show up on balance sheets. And this isn't just a Wall Street problem. Whether it's a pension fund in the UK, a retirement plan in Brazil, or a savings account in Pakistan, almost all modern savings run on this same structure. If the belief in AI ever cracks, it won't just slow down, it will reverse. This is a global trap. Check your holdings today. If one stock makes up more than 20% of your fund, you aren't as safe as you think. Did you know your savings were this concentrated? Drop your country in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay sharp.